waiting on the gate to open up at 8 o'clock. We made it in, people. We made it in. Good morning. How you doing today? Thank you. Have a good one. They're excited. We going fishing. Look at the thing. He's just bouncing. Buck is chilling. Hello, baby.
Hey.
Look at that, boy. Y'all see how that butter? Look at that butter. Nice. Get this bump out here. Bump in the rope. You might rope in there. I'll do it like this. Get it like that. Take it, make a bowl. Yeah. Keep going. Now. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Put it back up. Yep. Have a good one. You too, sir.
Another one in the bucket. Salute.